What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Mega Minion Jerry from Despicable Me 4. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw a large circle for the eye. We're going to start at the very top of the middle, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then bend that back up towards the top. Now I want to trace that circle along the inside. So starting back at the top, we'll step down, leave an even space gap all the way around. Let's draw a straight line going across the middle from left to right. And we'll draw a half circle in the center, going down and up. Draw a smaller half circle, and we'll fill the middle in black. Now on either side, we're going to add the hinge. Let's start on the top left, go straight out, come down, and then back in. Now let's line this up over on the right, going out, down, and then in. Now we'll split this in half. For the top left corner, let's step down, draw a straight line going all the way out towards the side of the head. Line this up on the right, going all the way out. And then from the bottom, we'll step up and draw that same length line. Now we're going to round out the ends, coming around and then back in. Now I want to curve the top of the head with a series of bumps. Let's start on the left, coming up and in. Now it's almost like drawing a half circle, going all the way around towards the top of the head, go across and then back down towards the right. Let's add in the mouth. We're going to start with a curve across the middle, just underneath the eye, coming down and up. Let's round up the top and then come down. Let's round out the bottom corners of the mouth, go up and across the middle, down, and then round out the right side. Now we're going to add the top row of teeth, starting right in the middle, bend this down and up toward the left and right. Then we'll add one more curve, coming up toward the top of the mouth. Let's add the bottom row of teeth. Starting from the bottom, we're going to go up and then down, add one more, and do the same thing on the right. Let's go in between the teeth in the center. Start with a point. We're going to bend the tongue going up and then down toward the left side, and then the right. And we'll fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now we're going to come down towards the bottom of the strap. Just going to bump this out and then in towards the side of the body. Now we're going to connect the ends with a curve. We're going to come down underneath the mouth, go across, and then up. Let's draw the end of the strap. Draw a short angled line coming down and out. And I want to follow the curve of the head, coming down and then in. Let's close off the end with another angled line. And then inside, I'm going to add a small circle for the button. Let's leave a gap underneath the strap. I'm going to curve the body. We're going to come down, go across, and then up. Underneath the button, we're going to curve the pants coming down and then out. Let's add a straight line going across the side. And then we're going to add a pocket in the middle. Start with a straight line going across the top. Go back to the side, draw a half circle coming down and then up. Let's add a circle in the center. And we'll add the letter M inside, going up around the outside. And trace this along the bottom. And we'll fill the outside of the circle in black. Now I'm going to move out to the side and draw the inside edge of the arm. Starting on the left, bend the arm going out and then down towards the edge of the glove, and then we'll overlap the glove on top. Let's do the same thing on the right. Bending the the arm, and then the edge of the glove. From the outside, step in, bend the arm going up, and then in underneath that strap. Let's angle the glove, coming down from the outside, angle the inside, and then from the inside of the wrist, draw a half circle for the thumb. All the way around, close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 2 large fingers on either side. Starting underneath the thumb, we're going to come down and then up around that bracket, come down towards the bottom, draw the second finger, go all the way around towards the outside of the wrist. Now leave a large gap in the middle and tuck the legs in underneath the body. So let's start on the left. Bend this out and down with a short line. Round out the bottom of the legs. Then bend this out and then up underneath the body. Let's surround the base of the leg with an oval. Starting from the outside, we're going to go all the way around and just tuck that in. And then from the inside, just going to bend the heel, coming out and then down. Let's round out the bottom of the feet, coming down and then up. Now let's go back to the left side and draw the top of the foot. We're going to go up and then bend this down. And then from the outside of the ankle, bend this in and then down on top of the foot. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's add a little bit of detail to the feet by adding a thick sole across the bottom. So we're going to start on the left side, follow that curve going all the way across towards the heel, and do the same thing on the right. Now let's go back to the head and add some texture. We're going to start from these points and add these little jagged lines coming in, just aiming towards the eye. And also from the side of the head. And then from the outside of the eye. We're going to go out with these short lines. Now it's time to art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Mega Minion Jerry from Despicable Me 4. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week. We're also showing how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.